All right, we're gonna keep adding to our boxing skills. We have 1, 2, and 3, and we've done forward, back, right, and left movements. Today I wanna add the slip, okay? So there's a few things to remember when you slip. A slip is just bringing your head off of that line, the line being where the punch is being thrown. So it's really beneficial to do this in the mirror so that you can see just how far your head is going off the line, making sure that it's getting completely off the line and also that it's not going too far off the line. So a few things to remember. The first being bring your hands with you, okay? So when you slip, don't slip like this, slip like this. Bring your hands with you when you bring your head off the line, okay? You don't want to do this and leave your guard here. You want to bring it with you. All right. The second thing is that you're only bringing your head off the line enough to miss a punch, and about the width of a glove is about this far. So that's really only as far as you need to bring your head off of the line to just miss that punch. You don't want to get too far to one side, be off balance, or be caught in a position where you can't throw a punch, okay? So we'll build onto that later on, throwing the counters off of the slip, but for today, I just want you to learn and practice slipping, just getting your head off of the line. All right, the last thing that I want to do with the slip is I want you to slip to the same side that you just threw a punch, okay? So if you throw a 1 and then a slip, I want you to slip to the same side that you threw your 1, okay? If I say 1, 2 slip, I want you to slip to the last side that you threw, which is where your 2 came from, okay? So a 1 slip, a 1, 2 slip, all right? So we are going just off of the line, hands with you, you're gonna slip and slip, okay? So you're staying in your stance and you're staying balanced, okay? So when you slip to your left, you're just bending at your waist, bringing your hands with you, just getting your head off of that center line. When you slip to your right, you're bending at your waist, bringing your head and your hands towards your right side, just off of the line, okay? It's not a huge movement. You should be feeling this in your waist as you're moving your head and hands off the line. All right, so let's just go through a couple combinations so you can kind of see what it looks like. What I want you to practice is a 1 slip, 1, 2 slip, okay? So 1, you're gonna slip to the same side as your 1, 1, 2 slip, 1, 2 slip to the same side as your 2 because that's the last punch you threw. So that's how I want you to kind of to work the slip, is I want you to slip to the same side of the last punch that you threw, okay? So 1 slip, 1, 2 slip, 1 slip, 1, 2 slip, 1 slip, 1, 2 slip. Okay, so that's the slip. Just getting that head off of the line, using your waist, staying in your stance, not going too far, and bringing your hands with you when you're moving your head off the line. All right, I will post some audio to add the slip to the 1, 2, and 3, forward, back, left, and right. So we're gonna keep building, keep building and learning different moves for you to use to shadow box and box at home. Thank you.